almost everything starts from an idea. I mean, just you have to think about a pizza if you want a pizza, to make the order, or if you want to make it up yourself. It doesn't always turn out how you think, but it starts with an idea, a dream of a pizza, or it could be even a Tower of Pisa. Yeah, got a little bit of a tilt towards the end, but it started off as a dream. And these are one of the essential daily habits we must have, is to have a dream. Now look, when I was a kid, 16, 17, all my friends, they knew they were going to be doctors or lawyers. I didn't have a clue. I just didn't know what I wanted to be. It was all so career focused. This was their dream. This is what they were going to be. All I knew was I just wanted to travel the world and have a good time. That was it. I just wanted to travel the world and have a good time. And to me, that was skiing. So as soon as I finished high school, I went to the mountains and I got the dream job. I washed dishes at night and skied all day, every day. It was fantastic. But the problem was I traveled to the resort, but I wasn't traveling the world. And then I started to see the competitors out there, the people competing in freestyle skiing, because that's what I loved. And they seemed to be having a good time. I went, that's what I want to do. They get to travel. So I got better at skiing. I started competing in freestyle skiing, but I was only traveling locally. I had to get better if I wanted to be like the big international guys and traveling all over the world. So then I got on the Australian team and I traveled all over the world, to all the mountains, to all these fantastic places. And then, skiing can be hard on the body. You get the injuries, aches and pains, and you think, there's got to be something better, a better way of traveling around the world and having a good time. I went, the coaches. Oh, how perfect is that? You still get to travel to all those places, but you don't have to worry about getting hurt or the risky, dangerous competition stuff, because I was in freestyle. That was the area I was in. If it was a windy day or an icy day, it hurt. So anyway, I coached, but then coaching, you've got to deal with athletes, temperamental athletes like I used to be. There must be a better way. And I was starting to go to all the same resorts in the same countries. I wanted to go somewhere different. I know, I saw the film crews. They were there filming, but they didn't have to go to that resort. They could film somewhere else. So with a good friend of mine, we created the Snow Show, and for 15 years we traveled the world and had a good time. And each time we decided where we were going to go. We didn't care about the money. We cared about where would we like to ski this time, because we love skiing. And we'd go to Eastern Europe. We'd call up the Eastern Europe tourist office and, come along, boys, come film in our areas. It was fantastic. And then I thought, there was something more to life. Really, I did. I don't know what. Yes, it was. It was a family. So my life started with a dream, with an idea, with a purpose, or as the French call it, the raison d'être, the reason for being. And the Japanese, they call it Ikigai. So if you don't know what your purpose is, or what your dream is, or what you want to do, start with Ikigai. This is, I think it originates from Okinawa, and it's basically finding out what you love. What do you love to do? Travel the world and have a good time. What are you good at? Well, I'm good at skiing, traveling the world and having a good time. Then the next thing is, how can I earn money? Through sponsorship. And then the next thing that you need to really tie in that Ikigai is, what is your service to the world? How are you helping society? And with the Snow Show, I was able to inspire people to do more. So if you're having trouble, maybe there's already a service that you have, and then find a way of making it into money, finding out the bits of it that you love, find out what you're good at. That ties it all together, and your Ikigai will take you. So part of your daily habit is to have a dream, a purpose, a raison d'être, an Ikigai. Now, if your Ikigai doesn't have one of those things, let's say you're good at it and you make money, but you don't really love it and you're not really servicing the world. It's not sustainable. If you don't really love it, you're going to feel soulless. If you're not helping the world, you're not going to feel like you're contributing. So you try and get it all in there. Maybe you're in something already that you love and you're good at, You're not making a lot of money out of it, but it is a good service to the world. But it has to be sustainable. So you figure out ways of making money. As my life started off with a simple dream, traveling the world and having a good time. Till next time, keep the spirit.